Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the filters of your Aquaguard. This model here is the Aquaguard Crystal Plus UV. Steps remain similar for most UV models, so you can follow the same. Make sure you turn off the valve before unplugging the input pipe from the Aquaguard, else the water would be flowing. That's the only step you need to do before you take your Aquaguard off. Once you've disconnected your Aquaguard, you need to lay it upside down. There are 4 screws, one at each corner, that you need to unplug. Once you've unscrewed all the screws, open up the top cover by pressing on the side. You can see right here there's a spot to press on, same on the other side. Press on both sides together, the top cover opens up, and gently pull it from the back to disconnect it and keep it aside. Lay the Aquaguard facing up. At this point the screws that you removed would pop out, so just keep them safe, you're going to need them later. Before removing the top cover, we'll first disconnect the pipe, the inlet pipe, or rather the outlet pipe, so that the front cover can completely come off. Make sure you don't pull it off completely. There are wires that are connected which you will now be able to see once I turn it around. So this is what it's going to look like. These are the existing 2 filters that we are going to replace today. Of course, to replace you need replacement filters. I have ordered these Aquadyne carbon and sediment filters from Filterkart. The link for the product is available in the video description, as well as the contact details that can help you place the order. This is what the replacement filter looks like. I'm going to remove the plastic cover. It also comes with some extra tubing and the required set of connectors. So as you can see, this is the ChemiBlock carbon filter, which says the activated carbon filter, and this is the sediment filter. We're going to replace both of them. I'm going to disconnect the tubes, input as well as the output. Now this is the carbon filter. Before it can be fitted, you need to flush out any impurities from the carbon filter, and for that all you need to do is connect the input into the water inlet pipe and allow the water to flush for around 5 minutes. For that, just take the cover off from the pipe, attach the connector by simply pushing it in. This has been supplied with the product, and now we'll connect it to the inlet and flush it. So as you can see now, the inlet pipe which supplies water to the Aquaguard, I've connected it to the carbon filter input. This is the flow of water, so this is the inlet, and now I'm going to just start it. And you can see how the black impurities are being flushed out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep tapping it with a screwdriver, just like that. That will allow any impurities to be flushed out. Now I've left the carbon filter to be flushed out completely. I'll leave this for a couple of minutes, and in the meantime we'll apply the sediment filter. Take the sediment filter, remove the end caps from both sides, from both ends, and put the connector on it by just pushing it inside, just like that. Same on the other side. Just push it in gently. Now the sediment filter goes in the first socket the flow is this way. That means this is the input, this is the output of the sediment filter. So now one thing to note is that the existing pipes, as you can see this one, it's not going to directly fit into the new filters because it's not the same size. So Filterkart has provided us with the connector pipe as well. All you need to do is put in the connector pipe firmly into the existing pipes. This will take a few attempts. Once you've gotten it to insert a little bit, keep pushing in so it goes deep inside to prevent any kind of leakage. And thereafter we are just going to cut the length of the new pipe that was provided to us by Filterkart, because we don't need the full length and we are going to use it for connecting the rest of the connectors. It's going to leave maybe a couple of inches and cut it, and then this end goes into your new sediment filter, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom pipe. Now put in the new connector pipe. So once you've ensured tight connections for all the pipes, you can plug the output pipe back into the outlet by pushing it inside, and that's it. Align it perfectly, flip your Aquaguard upside down again, put the 4 screws back, put the back cover back on as well. Take this opportunity to wipe the outside of your Aquaguard clean, make it look new again. And there you have it, your Aquaguard is serviced with your new filters and is ready for use. Of course, the only thing remains is to put it back where you took it out from. Alright, so once you've connected the Aquaguard back, plugged in the pipe again, turned on the valve, After turning on the valve, give it a second to observe any leaks before you turn it on. If there are any leaks, soon you'll start seeing water dripping. If not, then you would be good. Once you've confirmed no leaks, let's also plug in the extension pipe. I'm going to turn on the Aquaguard. Wait for it to go green for the flow to start, and I'm going to leave it running for about 5 minutes for any impurities to exit before we start actually using the water for drinking. So you can see now the water has started flowing. I'm going to leave it running, and thereafter we can start drinking this water. So that's how easy it is to service your Aquaguard and to replace the filters. If you just want to service the filter, there is a separate video that I have on my channel. You can follow that for cleaning of the filters. Do let me know your experience of servicing and replacing your Aquaguard filters. Let me know what kind of Aquaguard you're using for your drinking requirements. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.